Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Infiniti Motor Company Limited President, Mr. Johan Denissen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Infiniti stand here in Geneva. Geneva 2013 is a significant step in our journey to expand our success beyond the US and become a global player in the premium automotive sector. Now, nowhere is the premium market more competitive than right here in Europe. Infiniti is a young company, not yet 25 years old, and we are younger still here in Europe, where this show marks only our 5th anniversary. At Infiniti, our vision is crystal clear: to secure permanent membership in the exclusive club of global premium automotive brands, a club that is today dominated by German brands. However, we are not interested in the Mega Millions sales race. No, we want to honor the original concept of exclusivity, an aspirational, not easily obtained brand with renowned product substance. We will be known globally as a specialist provider of premium design and craftsmanship, relevant performance, innovative technology, and of course, unrivaled Japanese hospitality. Infiniti is now represented in nearly 50 countries worldwide, and our global sales rose by some 17% last year. We are anticipating another year of double-digit percentage growth also in 2013. Now, while growth is obviously important to us, I do want to emphasize that it is a means to an end. It is not an end in itself. For a premium brand, the quality of the business is always more important than the quantity. Now, North America remains our biggest market, followed by China, where we continue to grow, and then Russia being our 3rd biggest market. European drivers, as we all know, have very exacting standards and demands. And that is one reason why Europe will become a manufacturing location for Infiniti. A new premium compact Infiniti will be built in Sunderland at our plant in the UK. And when it arrives in 2015, it will introduce the brand to a whole new sector of the car market, where Infiniti has not been present before. It is a car for Europe, built in Europe. Our growth globally will be underpinned by strengthening our model range and broadening our model portfolio, and expanding into new markets, and also building on our success in existing ones. Another key ingredient in our expansion is also our alliance partner Daimler AG, which embraces shared platform development, new automatic transmissions, and of course also joint engine production. But today is the first opportunity that Europe has had to see the exciting new Infiniti, the Q50 sports sedan. It's the first show too to show our new naming strategy. All new sedans and convertibles will wear a Q badge in the future, while SUVs and crossovers will carry a QX badge. This change reflects our future product offensive as we dramatically expand our lineup, and also recognizes where we came in. The very first Infiniti, way back in 1989 in the US, was the original Q45. Now, Q50 embodies everything that Infiniti stands for: passionate and emotive design, meticulous craftsmanship, precise performance, and the highest levels of intuitive technology. The design also shows a new direction for our sports sedans. A lower, wider proportion gives it a more athletic stance, while the Infiniti signatures are the double arch grille, the dynamic arch silhouette, while the headlights also evoke the shape of the human eye. The interior combines premium hospitality and high-grade materials with class-leading roominess, and the double-wave cockpit design contains advanced telematics in the shape of the intelligent Infiniti InTouch system. Infiniti InTouch features large dual display screens, which puts communication with the outside world within easy reach. The integration of hands-free phone, moving map navigation, entertainment, and smartphone apps done in a very easy-to-use way that is safe to use while driving. Now, in keeping with our raft of technological advances, the Q50 also features extensive use of high tensile strength steel, and this contributes significantly to weight reduction, helping to improve fuel consumption while making the vehicle structurally stronger and thus also improving occupant safety. Now, speaking of structural rigidity, the very high standard attained in the Q50 platform also facilitates some of the tightest shock lines in the business. The minimal body panel gaps that you will see on this car are tangible evidence of the precision of Infiniti fit and finish. As for Europe, one of the most significant elements of the new Q50 can of course be found beneath the bonnet. And ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to reveal the new diesel-powered Infiniti Q50 sports sedan. I kind of like it. This new diesel boasts 170 PS and an outstanding 400 Newton meters of torque. This is matched by strong fuel efficiency with less than 150 grams per kilometer of CO2. But of course, we are in a performance brand and we haven't forgotten our performance flagship. The flagship Q50 sports sedan will be an advanced V6 petrol-electric hybrid capable of 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in around 5 seconds. Now you may ask, is there room for yet more new technology? Yes, of course. The Q50 offers you even more, such as direct adaptive steering, a world first for a production vehicle. The system transmits the driver's intentions to the wheels much faster than a mechanical system. It also increases the direct driving performance feel by intelligently communicating road surface feedback to the driver. Now, performance has always been at the heart of the Infiniti brand, and that's something that's celebrated also by our relationship with one of the most successful teams in Formula One, Infiniti Red Bull Racing, and I'm delighted to introduce one of the architects of that success to you today. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Infiniti Red Bull team principal, Christian Horner. Christian, with less than 2 weeks to go to the start of the 2013 F1 season, everyone at Infiniti would like to wish you and the team every success in your quest to secure the 4th consecutive double set of championship titles. And as we were discussing last night, if that plan doesn't work, you and I could both leap from a high altitude balloon somewhere. Better we win the series. Now, besides Infiniti being the title partner of Red Bull Racing from the 2013 season, Infiniti has also strengthened the technical ties between the parties. It's a symbiotic technical program aimed at developing new technologies for mutual benefit on the road and on the track. We're looking at cooperation in the fields of material science, energy recovery and storage systems, and even paint technology. The Q50 has benefited considerably from this relationship. Three-time world champion Sebastian Vettel has been part of the development of the car at our Tochigi Proving Grounds, while test driver and local Swiss hero Sebastian Buemi has covered hundreds of miles in the Q50 at the infamous Nordschleife. As for team's contribution in the Q50, you'll be able to discover that for yourselves in the summer when the press drives are held. Now though, I think it's time for you to take a closer look at the car itself to see how the Q50 is shaping our brand direction and our future. And so in closing, I would like to invite our Chief Creative Officer, Shiro Nakamura, and Christian on stage for the photo call. Thank you for your attention.